This is one of the reasons why I start a YouTube channel. Hey everyone, hey crafters, welcome to Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if you just want to say hi, you can call me Risa. I started a YouTube channel in 2018, but before that I've been posting all of my creations to my Facebook page, Instagram, and Pinterest. One of my creations is this ribbon rose. To be honest, I really love this ribbon rose. I've posted this rose in 2016 and I've got a lot of messages asking me how I made this. At that time, I don't know how to explain the tutorial through message, so long story short, the tutorial was published in August 2018. Well, something happened and I have to mute my video, so now it's just a tutorial without any explanation, without talking. Here I am remaking my old videos in 2023. Let's go ahead and get started. So these are all the materials we need. An inch white ribbon, I use 3 colors. Green is for the leaves and 2 colors is for the rose. And then some common stuff like ruler, match, scissors, a pen, and not to mention a hot glue gun. And also the most important is tweezers. You're gonna need tweezers, the most important. First, I'm going to show you how I make the petals. I actually don't have the exact measurement on my old videos, but now I will show you how I make this. So we fold the ribbon to 45 degrees and we simply cut it off. And I really like to seal my ribbon so it won't fray. Just seal it, simply seal it. Now from the longer part here, I'm going to measure about, I'm gonna use centimeter measurement, about 8.5 centimeters. About 8.5 centimeters, I'm going to mark it here. So we simply fold the ribbon to 45 degrees, like this, and we are going to cut it. Seal it, seal the ribbon. And I am going to need another one. I'm still measure it from the longer part here. So now I am going to measure about 9.5 centimeters. Let's measure 9.5 centimeters from the longer part. It's about here. It's about here. And we simply fold the fabric, fold the ribbon. I keep saying fabric. Fold the ribbon to 45 degrees and we are going to cut it. I just love to seal my ribbon. When I am working, or we are working with ribbons, we are going to need this match. So now we have these two sides of petals. It's 8.5 centimeters for this. Let me write it so it's just more obvious. 8.5 centimeters for this, and this one is 9.5 centimeters. So we are going to need these two templates for the petals. Now I will take this aside, put this aside. Now I'm going to use these colors. I actually have to fold the ribbon to 45 degrees and cut it so it makes a diagonal shape. Seal it. Always seal your ribbon. Now what we are going to do is we are going to draw these petals to the ribbons. Now I'm going to take this 9.5 centimeters and simply put the template here, and we are going to draw it just like this and flip it over, and we are going to draw it another. I am going to repeat this until I have 10 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can just throw this away. I have draw 10 template. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to take another one. It's 8.5 centimeters. We simply continue making the template. So I will put it here. I am going to make 6 of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. Now I simply cut this off, fold it down, and we cut it. Always seal your ribbon. Now we have the template. As you can see, I have 16 shape of these, what do we call this, trapezoid. I have 16 of this, and now I'm going to prepare the second ribbon. It's just the same. We are going to fold it down like this and seal the ribbon once again. Always seal your ribbon. Now I am going to cut the second ribbon a little longer than the first ribbon. So it's a little longer. We can cut it to the same length later. So I'm going to leave a little longer and cut it off. Now we are going to prepare needle and thread. Where's my needle and thread? I am sewing from the 9.5 centimeters petal. So what we are going to do is we simply sew the ribbon. And when you have the line here, the line that we draw, simply fold it down and we can continue sewing the petals, the ribbons. And you can pay attention to the back side. The line is here, so I'm going to sew it. As you can see the line on the back side, we simply fold it according to the line and continue sewing. Now we simply repeat this step to the end of the ribbon. After you sew until the end of the ribbons, you simply cut the second ribbon to the same length as the first ribbon. Just cut it off and seal it. Now, what we are going to do is you simply gather the ribbon and let the petals curl toward you. Okay, let's see. So curly. Now, the length of this ribbon after you make it ruffle, after you gather it, it should be about 16 inches or 40 centimeters. So it's about here, okay. This, I am going to fold the end of the ribbon. Just fold it about twice or 3 times. And you simply sew the ribbon till the end. Just gather it and secure the thread. secure the thread. Just a little, adjust it a little. So I want the pattern, the petal, to curl toward one side. Now prepare the hot glue gun. Prepare the hot glue gun and tweezers, of course. Prepare the tweezers, and we simply, what do we call this? Grab the center of the flower, and I am going to add a little glue right in the center, right on the petals, and we are going to wrap tightly only on the center. Wrap it tightly. Now you can take off the tweezers, and we simply add the glue all along the petals and wrap it around. And this time you don't have to wrap it tightly. Just wrap it loosely. Loosely. It's not too tight. After you finish a wrap around the center, you may see that the flower is a little distorted right now, and it's not a problem. We are going to take our tweezers, and we simply shaping the petals so it will curl toward the upper side. Use your tweezers to gently push it down so that the petals will curl toward the upper side. And you can start to see the beautiful shape for the flowers. Now the last thing is to add little leaves right here. For an inch white ribbon, I am going to need 8 inches or 20 centimeters for 2 leaves. So I will cut 20 centimeters and cut it in half, cut it into 2, and simply seal the end of the ribbons. Now take the leaves, fold it like this, and then fold it back, and simply sew the end of the ribbon, but I don't want to sew all along. Let me show you later. Now take another leaves, fold it the same way, and put the leaves here right in the halfway of the ribbons. Now we can simply sew to the end of the ribbon. Wrap a few times and secure the thread. Ooh, this is for the leaves, and I will attach these leaves right at the end of the petals. It's right here, and if you see it from the front side, it's a little empty right here, so I am going to attach the leaves right at the end of the petals. And And that's it. You simply attach a felt fabric right the back side here. You can make it as a hair clip, a headband, or a brooch to pin it to your dress or bag. And that's it. Our beautiful rose is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can also write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye bye. If the tutorial was published in 2018, which means I've been on YouTube for almost 5 years. Oh.